Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to do adjustments on your picture on the Pixomatic application, such as adjusting brightness, warmth, contrast and so on. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the plus icon down below and click on Start with Image. Tap on the photo, and after that you should slide the right side down below and click on Adjust. Tap on Brightness, which is the first option, and adjust it by the help of this slide down below. Then tap on Warmth and select the relevant point. Then set the contrast, then the hue, then the saturation, the tint, sepia, exposure, gamma, the highlights, shadows. You can also sharpen it, adjust the vibrance, the tone, the highlights, midtones and shadows, the grain, the HSLS, such as the hue, saturation and lightness, and the color can be selected, and the fade too. If you are done with all these steps, click on the check mark icon in the upper right corner of the screen to save your picture. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.